Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to log in to Duolingo on your phone. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Duolingo app, and after that click I already have an account and choose how do you want to log in to your account, if you have an email and password, or if you want to sign in directly with Google, sign in directly with Facebook, or sign in directly with Apple. So I will sign in with Google, click continue, and I will choose my account, click continue, and wait for a few seconds. And voila, Duolingo logged into my account and everything is good. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.